What is antommarchi and why do clients waive it in New York State Court? Antommarchi is a client's right to be present for all stages of the proceedings, including the private conferences that potential jurors ask to have when discussing very personal or sensitive information. With antommarchi, the client has a right to be there. The client is right to hear with his or her own ears what is being said and then weigh in. And there's two reasons why clients waive antommarchi to be present for sidebars and conversations with the jurors. The first reason is that each time the client moves around the courtroom, whether they're incarcerated, whether they're at liberty, the court officers move with the client. And it almost creates a presumption that the client's dangerous, that the client cannot be trusted to move on his own the way that everyone else is moving about the courtroom. So not something you want to have as a defense attorney. It's incredibly prejudicial for the jury to see that. And the second reason is that jurors do not necessarily feel comfortable sharing whatever is on their mind, whatever is super private and super secretive, with the person that's sitting in the defendant chair. That's what it comes down to. So when the client waives antommarchi, it's on the defense attorney to tell the client, this is what we discussed at the bench conference, this is what was said. So when we go out for a private conference with a judge at the bench or in the back end chambers, we always bring a notepad and we write down who said what to then inform the client. So antommarchi does typically get waived because it's not a very good visual, and also because jurors may not necessarily be open when discussing whatever their issues are.